Gray is one of the best colors we can use and invest in for right now because it's not only popular now, but it's going into spring. It even goes all the way into fall of 2025. So I picked out a selection of grays that are just stunning, beautiful, that will work now and then continue into spring throughout the summer. So we're going to start with this first one. I love these fabrics. This is a reversible. It's like it's a cotton poly. It's like a sweatshirt fabric. It's like got ribs in it. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. And we're seeing a lot of matching sweats right now. So this would be perfect for that type of thing. In fact, I'm gonna cut me off and sew me up one. This is just perfect right now. So these are $14.99. Not all of them, there's 2 exceptions, but this one's $14.99. This is a cotton poly. Actually, there's a little bit of wool in this. I think it's a wool cotton blend. It has stretch in both directions. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It extinguishes itself, which is why I say it's wool, and there's no hard beading in it when I burn it at all. Just a really beautiful piece of fabric. Again, $14.99, just like I said, like a giveaway price. This is a reversible. You can really use each side. I love this side, and yet when I turn it on this side, I love this side. So this is, it has charcoal on the tag. This is a wool acrylic blend. It's 50-50 is what the tag says. It does have some beige in there. It has some off-white. And this is a charcoal. It could be a black, but the tag said charcoal. So I paired it with the charcoals. It's really a beautiful piece of fabric. It does not have stretch. It's really more to be used as a woven. A cape would be outstanding. Go from there. All right, this is 100% cotton. I used it because it's a beautiful little light gray, perfect for a little blouse. Underneath, a base layer would be great. 100% cotton, again, at $14.99. This is 100% viscose, lightweight. You can see it's just beautiful. I mean, just really a beautiful piece of fabric. Has stretch in both directions and light, and has a very, very slight rib to it. Hard to see. It's in there. It's just really hard to see because it's very small, but again, $14.99. The 2 others are $24.99, still a great price, just not $14.99, but the rest are $14.99. This, I love this. The texture on this, I don't know if y'all can see that, it's just stunning. It is a charcoal. I think it's a charcoal and a black, or gray and a black. Beautiful, again, it's a wool acrylic blend, just stunning. Both sides are usable, but very, very pretty. So these grays are just great investments for our dressing because they're going to last for a while. They're not going anywhere. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.